All right, squad.
Yes, sir. We're on the rapids. I'm excited for this.
Whoa.
You know, Dad would be upset if we didn't ride this.
Waven loves the rapids rides.
Oh, we gotta be.
Really? Oh no! Oh no! Oh! I thought we weren't supposed to get wet.
So good.
Gotta hide the mic. I'm gonna put you guys away and use Jake's footage.
There you go.
Granted, it is hot, humid, and sticky in Hong Kong. It actually feels good. It feels so good. Oh no. That being said, stop. Oh no, what is that? Woo! Yeah! Oh, Josiah, No! He said a little! This is not a little! Whoa, look at that theming! I'm so glad. Oh! No! What's up,
Not just a little.
It feels good though, honestly. Appetite's just chilling.
We're gonna be dried off in about 3 seconds.
Yeah.
Dude, my foot's getting wet inside this stuff.
Nothing's water.
Oh my gosh. No, is that a drop? No. No, we're going in a cave with a massive drop in it? Please don't. Oh, no.
Well, you're backwards.
I don't want to be shot. Shot. There's water cannons up ahead. I saw one. You're lying. I just saw one. Oh no!
I don't believe you. Turn around, bro. Take a look for yourself, man.
I'm so. That's not bad.
Okay, that wasn't bad.
I'm drenched. Feel really good.
How
do
you
feel,
bro? Dude, yeah, I'm soaked. Right here, rabbit, stand up the run. Whoa! Just let it sit your ass down. It's always at the end where it gets you. Yes. Dude, no. There might be some geysers here at the end. Stay away. Just like I said, you see some geysers. Looks like right around here. Yeah, it's somewhere over here. Oh, it's right there, I think. Oh, whoa, not bad. Come on. Oh, we're good. We have some left over the end. We're chilling, bro. That's good. I like that. All right. We're gonna drive in about 3 seconds too, because it's like 100 degrees right now.
I feel like we're underrating how tough the Hair Ranger sign is. Like the logo is.
I've not been underrating it.
It's so sick. They killed it at the end.